2009 Santa Fe. We'll do this sway bar link here. Looks like this is a 17. So let's rust it on there. I'm going to get a wrench on the other side. There should be groove. Should be 17 from the back there. Find the right spot. There we go. You see how it fits. It's almost like an oval. It's only going to fit one way on there. So that was a 17. And now the bottom one here. Right, so then we got the bottom one here, which I can't get my impact in there. So we got my 17-inch here. I didn't need the wrench on the back to hold it on this one, which would be done the same way as the top one. I'm gonna hit that out of there. So, it's the old one. Line this up. Make sure it's the right one for the new one. Need a part number. Deposit right there. There's have these little plastic covers on there. Remove those. Slide it in. Got it out of there. There we go. New link is in. Now if you're turning the bolt and it's just spinning there, put your wrench on the back of it again like you did taking the other one out. Get the wheel on. Once you set it down, make sure you torque it at about 85 foot-pounds. And drive it and see if that noise is going on. Usually the sway bar links cause a clunking. So be sure to subscribe and leave a like. See you on another one.